Kwani kwe mama yana meno kwedinge kwani kwe mama yani kwani kwedila kwani kwe mama yana meno kwedinge kwani kwe mama yani kwani kwedila kwani kwe mama yana meno kwedinge kwani kwe mama yani kwani kwedila kwani kwe mama yana meno kwedinge kwani kwe mama yani kwani kwedila unateme kwani ni kwenda mama unateme kwani ni kwenda mama ongele kwani muzulu mama ongele kwani muzulu mama unateme kwani ni kwenda mama unateme kwani ni kwenda mama ongele kwani muzulu mama ongele kwani muzulu mama unateme kwani ni kwenda mama unateme kwani ni kwenda mama kwani kwe mama yana meno kwedinge kwani kwe mama yani kwani kwedila kwani kwe mama yana meno kwedinge kwani kwe mama yani kwani kwedila kwani kwe mama yana meno kwedinge kwani kwe mama yani kwani kwedila kwani kwe mama yana meno kwedinge kwani kwe mama yani kwani kwedila unateme kwani ni kwenda mama unateme kwani ni kwenda mama ongele kwani muzulu mama ongele kwani muzulu mama nilikwenda mama, unasema kwa nilikwenda mama, jongele kwa ni muzulu mama, jongele kwa ni muzulu mama, unasema kwa nilikwenda mama, unasema kwa nilikwenda mama. Kwani kwe mama, yana meno kwe dinge. Kwani kwe mama, yani kwani kwe dila. Kwani kwe mama, yana meno kwe dinge. Kwani kwe mama, yani kwani kwe dila. Kwani kwe mama, yana meno kwe dinge. Kwani kwe mama, yani kwani kwe dila. Kwani kwe mama, yana meno kwe dinge. Kwani kwe mama, yani kwani kwe dila. Unateme kwa nini kwenda mama, unateme kwa nini kwenda mama, ongele kwa ni muzulu mama, ongele kwa ni muzulu mama.
Good November. I saw you right now. Yeah, I'm waiting for you. Thank you.
Unateme kwa nilikwenda mama, unateme kwa nilikwenda mama, jongele kwa ni muzulu mama, jongele kwa ni muzulu mama, unateme kwa nilikwenda mama, unateme kwa nilikwenda mama. Kwani kwe mama, yana meno kwe dinge. Kwani kwe mama, yani kwani kwe dila. Kwani kwe mama, yana meno kwe dinge. Kwani kwe mama, yani kwani kwe dila.
Rogacia Milor, Garo Marca, Mama. C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la limite. ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés et déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour de la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences. Et ensemble, we are one, you and I. Let's stick together. Lego. Kolanda tenzela ya mabe, malembe tokukoma. Mokili tondi magambo ebele. Ya sala na kimya. Eloko nyose koma kanangonga nango.
Hello, Lengwa Tadiwa.
Yambote tatampa.
Yambote unaona vipi?
Ingeta tuna mavimpi yenu
Yetebe tunaona vipi? Tutonde. Yambula twa kaisa enkangu, hello. If you are watching, you are welcome. Please do not move. We are going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in
spoken in Angola, the Republic of Congo, and the Democratic Republic of Congo.
And Gabon, yeah?
Gabon.
Thank you very much. Okay. Sito Mokina. Mukumbisa una.
Yes.
Do you understand me?
Mukumbisa do I understand you?
Mukumbisa una.
Does that mean do I understand you?
Visa is the verb. My question is the first singular is always nasal, yes? Mukumvisa una. Your answer will be you just remove the nasal. Yes?
Then do I say visa una?
Mukuvisa ngina.
Mukuvisa ngina.
Remember, ngina is a verb. A good question. Ngina is your verb. You tell me. You help me then. What is ngina then? Ngina is from the verb kala, yeah?
Yes.
But in this case, it's not. It is. I don't know how to describe it because our verb is mukumvisa una visa to understand. Mukumvisa ngina. You mean that ngina in this case plays the role of is just like a pronoun. You understand?
Yes.
Because of course you shouldn't have two verbs. Yes. Mukumvisa una. I'm repeating the question. Mukumvisa una.
Mukuvisa ngina.
Bravo, yeah. Yes, well done. Okay. Kivu na kiau nengwa. Katu. Kangina kivu ko, yes? Kivu na kiau. Kivu is the. Do you understand Kivu? Kivu.
No.
Question.
Oh, you mean do I have any questions?
Yeah.
So I'll say katu.
Katu. Or you could say your sentence. Kangina ye Kivuko.
Kangina ye
Kivuko. Remember, in this case, kangina ye it is your verb, not to be, your verb to have, yes? Remember, to have is kala. No, sorry. Repeat. To have, you tell me, you help me then. To have is to be is kala. To be is kala, yes?
Yes, to be is kala, but to have is it not?
Kalaye.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, Kalaye.
Yeah,
Kalaye.
you could.
I
So
forgot.
when you say Kanginaye, you say Nginaye, one word, hyphen, one word, Nginaye, have. I don't have. Are you with me? I'm going to tell you. Yes?
Give some.
Yes, okay. The good news is, I need to confirm this. All the verbs begin with L. Your nasal is ND. Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
ND. So we're going to try to practice a bit on this one. I need to find simple one. Okay. Leka. Leka means
Leg
mhm.
is to sleep.
Well done. Okay. So the nasal is ND. So how would you say? And I don't want to give you the answer. First person then
Is
present
it?
perfect indicative. Hmm? ND
Is
is
it?
your nasal. Yes.
So is it Ndeka?
Ndele. Ndele. Yes.
Ndele.
Yeah.
Ndeleka.
Ndele. Uh,
What is this?
it's not easy, but I just want you to get the nasal. Yes. Let me try to find another verb. These verbs are hard. Okay. This one you should know that. To follow. What is the verb to follow? Land, huh? Yes?
Landa.
Is the verb to follow, yes. So your present infinity, sorry, present infinity, present perfect indicative, yes?
Is it Ndanda?
Ndende, yes.
Dende.
Yeah. It is hard, I know it is hard. As long as you understand that, get this. Tatale is there. Tatale.
Eh.
Kiambote Tatale.
Yambo
Yambo
de.
te tatampanzo.
Yeah, do not vimpi.
Lama vimpi yeno, eh?
Il était petit non vimpi. Ok. E uno si tu mokena. Ukumvisa una. Two questions at once. Okay. Uno si tu mokena. Moko. I'm going to tell you moko.
This one Moko is. This one Moko means hand. Does that mean hand?
You're right, it's hard. We have moko. Yeah, moko. The long vowel is your
Is
and
hand.
that's your hands, yeah. The short vowel is talk, dialogue. Yeah, kale.
Oh, Moko. Okay.
Yeah.
Moko is plural. Remember, I'm going to tell you it's plural. Koko is singular. One hands, yeah.
Okay.
Hands, plural. Moko, long vowel.
Moko.
Moko, talk. So we're going to talk. We're going to speak. Mukumvisa lune. Visa is just try to, visa to understand. We just let me just write it down. Visa to understand.
So do you say Moko Visa Tuna?
Sorry, give 1 minute. Yes.
Visa.
Visa to understand, yes? Visa or bakisa is same verb. So we are trying to practice present perfect indicative, yes? So when Always remember, only in present perfect indicative we have nasal. Yes.
Yes.
When I say only, okay, so far so good. Let's keep it like this, because when you say exception, Gikong is hard, 20%. But anyway, we should be okay. We are safe. Present perfect indicative, it is when you use your nasal. Your first person is your nasal. But basically, in singular bits, we don't use the pronoun. Is it clear?
Hello.
Remember, a pronoun is who can help me anyway? Let's tell you, pronouns, standard pronouns, personal pronouns.
IUA Tuluba.
Yeah, well done. I-U-A-O-K. Tuluba, yes. So when we were in the past, what are the pronouns? Yes, personal pronouns for the past. It is weird, it's keep on when you. The singular bits, sorry.
Wait, I'm trying to understand. You for present continuous or
The past. I mean, for us, the past is past simple. When we're talking past,
or like
the singular bit here.
Oh, you said for singular?
No. The past,
Yeah.
your personal pronoun is not the same as we are not using the standard. We have. What did you remember?
Is it not Ndawaka, I believe.
Yes, well done. Yawaka.
Yawaka.
Totally.
Yeah. Past simple.
Yeah.
It's right in front of me.
Yawaka.
Yawaka.
Yeah, the plural.
Waka.
Yeah, the plural. There's no change. Although we use W. Yes, Tualua. Yes. But the third plural. There's no change. Any questions?
Cut.
Cut. Yeah. Done. But I want you to say the full sentence.
The full sentence.
Can you say it again, please?
Isn't it Kangina ye Kyuvuko?
Yes. Totally. Kangina ye Kyuvuko. Remember your to be totally in Kikongo? Verb to be?
No.
Yes. Kala.
Kala.
Yes. And to have?
To have is it ngin?
Kala? No. The verb. Kala plus something. Kala
and
Kala ye.
Kala ye. Oh gosh. Yeah,
So when I don't worry. When you say Kangina ye Kyuvuko, Ngina goes with ye. It is have here. I don't have questions. Totally, yes. Are you with me totally? Kangina ye Kyuvuko. Ngina ye, Ngina and ye. So Ngina hyphen, you have ye to have. Kangina ye Kyuvuko. Okay, question to you totally. Kyuvu na kiao? Kyuvu is a question. Kyuvu na kiao?
Wow. Right now, my brain is not functioning.
No, Wakey. Kyuvu question, yeah?
Yeah, okay, cue the question.
Kiao, remember, as soon as you spot, you hear au, you know that this is the suffixes, remember? In this case, is possessive, yeah? Kyuvungi na kiao. I mean, you, second plural, second singular. So your answer, Kikongo, of course. Kivu na kiao. Negative, totally. Kangina ye Kivuku, yes.
Kangina ye
Kivuko.
Kivuko.
Yes. So visa to understand. My question to you, Tatala, remember, nasal, it is mine, first singular, always present perfect indicative. Mukumvisa une.
Mukumvisa une.
My question, this is my question, you answer me.
Oh.
Say you don't understand it. How would you answer then? Remember, the KK is your stuff, yeah, your salvation. Negative, always, yeah.
Okay, can you repeat it again? Sorry.
Mukumvisa una, mukumvisa una. Can you say it in the positive? Muku, you just repeat this, muku, yes?
Okay, muku. Muku.
Visa, yeah, you drop the nasal, yeah? Muku visa, yeah?
Muku visa.
Yes, your color, yeah, your first, yeah. Color, your first.
Muku visa.
Yes, your first color, Muku visa ngina, yeah.
Okay, Muku visa ngina, yeah.
No worries. Okay, yeah.
I'm not all the way here, so.
Okay. Nengotediwa, Kivu na kiao. Negative. Ka.
I just forgot.
Kalaye.
Is it kalaye?
No. The verb is kalaye, to have. So, kangina ye. Yeah,
kangina ye.
Kivuko. Yes. Okay. Totally. All the verbs begin. Kikongo verbs will begin with L, letter L. Your nasal is always ND. Yes? Yes.
Yes.
Let's say landa. Landa to follow. First person to you, over to you.
Landa. Nde.
Yeah. Yes. Ningotediwa. Lunda. Lunda means to hide. To hide, to keep safe. Okay. To hide, yes. Lunda.
Is it ndunda?
Ndundidi, yes. Well done. Ndundidi. Yeah, it's hard. I just want to get the nasal, yeah? As long as you have your nasal, well, should be okay. We should be safe. We don't need to be perfect, yeah? We get there little by little, yes. Okay. Kediambuko. Sito mokena fiot, yeah? Tatale. Mokina, yeah? Can you translate my sentence, tatale? Sito mokina fiot.
Wow. Wait a minute.
Mokina, never tell you, Mokina.
Mokina is to like speak.
To talk, yes, because
talk.
Moko.
What about Vova?
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. How about Vova?
Conversation, dialogue. Vova to speak.
Okay.
Dialogue is
to like
Mokina, yeah.
Mokina.
Yeah, totally, yeah.
Okay.
Dialogue, conversation, yeah, is
I get you.
Vova broadcast, you say. Yeah. Is it gay?
Yeah, no, I'm following. Just
Kangina e Kivu.
Situmokina. Okay. Some people would say Situmokina. Don't worry, because Kikongo. Don't worry about the changes on. Vowel. Yes.
Yeah.
Some people would say mokina, mokena, mbwenge, mbwengi, something. Okay. Wakuba Malune. It is talking now, Tadale.
Kubala.
Kubama.
Kubama. Nki Nkubama.
Kiddy song. Good question. Can you say it again? I'm going to tell you. Kiddy song.
Kidi Songele.
Songa. Well, this is a Bantu language. This let me just try to write Kubama. Kubama. You're doing well, Tatala. You're no longer a beginner. I'm going to tell you. We're moving. Now we've left our papers home. Yeah, we're going to use our brains. Yeah.
that's my problem right now. I'm so dependent on my papers.
Don't be dependent on your paper. Kubama. To be ready. Yeah, get ready to be ready.
Well, are you writing it somewhere or?
I do. I'm ready. Yeah.
Oh, but we don't see it.
With this space only.
Oh, okay.
Is it in the chat?
Oh, it's in the chat. Okay.
No. I'm going to display. People are following. People are learning. You know. People are learning. Some people. Some people learn from home. Yeah. Kubama to be ready. To get ready.
Kuba.
To be ready, to get ready. Totally, yes. Kubama.
Okay, Kubama.
Kubama, yeah. Kubama, yeah. Kubama. Okay. Then what I tell you, I want you to get this. I'm using auxiliary, but you should be. Let me ask the question. I don't want to translate into English, but just try to answer in Kikongo, of course. Then what I do, tulenda mokena. You know the verb mokena, yeah? Tulenda mokena.
Elo is sing mokena.
Okay, tulenda mokena. Okay, just repeat lenda because we lenda is auxiliary. Yes.
Oh, lenda mokena.
Positive in this case is positive. Yeah, are you there? Is this positive? Negative is. Lenda negative is.
Lendi.
Well done, yeah. Okay, over to you, Tatale. Thank you, Nengo. Over to you, Tatale. I'm asking you the question. Tulenda mokena? You understand, yes? Tatale. Tulenda mokena? Yes? Okay. Negative. Over to you, Tatale. We. Because I'm using two, two.
Yeah.
Tulenda mokena. Your negative ka, always ka, yes.
Okay. Ka. Oh, okay. Ka.
Yeah, ka is negative. Now your pronoun, yeah. We. Ka. We.
Katu.
Well done.
Katu.
Negative, yeah.
Katulendi.
Well done. Mokenako. Well done, yeah. Bravo. Okay, I'm serious now. I'm talking to you, Tatale. We're going back to Mbanza, Congo, Tatale. Forget Washington. Okay. Tuwawane munanzila. Mugumvisa una tatale. Mugumvisa una tata.
You just told us what visa was.
This is to understand Pakistan.
It is your
Okay.
credit. Your credit.
Okay,
Your
say
credit
that
card.
again. I need a.
And the nasal is mine. Yeah, just pick up on. Just take use the same thing. Yeah, drop the nasal. Mukumvisa una. Remember, una is your to be. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, you answer. Just repeat muku. Yeah, you said.
Muku.
Mm.
Okay.
Muku. Yeah, drop the nasal. Mvisa. It's me. Then you drop nasal.
Okay.
Muku visangina. Yes.
Okay. Muku visa. Is it
Yeah.
Muku Vinsa Ngina?
Yes. Okay, Tatale.
Do we have? Okay. Yeah.
Go ahead.
No. Okay. Visa. That's I.
Yes. Remember, nasal always present
Is
perfect
that's
indicative.
present perfect?
Present perfect indicative. Nasal always.
Okay.
Mukumvisa una. You answer mukuvisa ngina.
Okay. Muku visa ngina. Okay. Muku visa ngina.
Okay. Let us talk, Tatale. Okay. This. Don't worry, Tatale. There's a saying. Okay. Every day is not the same. Something like this. Yeah, along those lines. Yeah. Sometimes we're tired. No worries. I know you know your stuff. Okay. Where were we? Okay. I'm going to the market and you are coming from the market. This is a scenario, yes?
Okay.
Kunzeko. Mgumbisa unataka kunzeko.
Kunzeko.
Zaya is to know.
Oh, Zao Kunzai. Okay, Nzaya.
Zaya, no, Zaya is to know. I'm saying kunzeko.
Like he doesn't know you.
Okay, no, you don't know me, yeah?
Okay.
Katuzaya neko, we don't know.
Okay, we don't know each other. Okay.
Yeah, yes. We're done. Okay. Kiambo te tata.
Kiambo te tata.
Quota tuka. You are coming from the market. My question is quota tuka, but please answer me. Give me the answer. Your answer in indicative, present indicative. Your verb is tuka. Quota tuka. Remember location as soon as you. Well done. Yes. Your object. Yeah. You're coming from the market. Yeah. Kuzandu. Yeah.
Kuzandu. Okay. Kuzandu.
Yeah.
I can't say
nasal tuka. Your nasal.
I'm trying to find two is gonna be one two.
Your nasal. Try to find N.
Is it NT?
Yes.
Into
Kuzandu tukidi. Yes.
Okay. Kuzandu tukidi.
Yeah. It's not easy. As long as you have your nasal, in this case, just apart from verbs begin with L, just because with L we have who can help me? What is the rule for the nasal here? Verbs begin with
ND.
Yes. Just do it. Just say it. Yeah. Just say it.
Okay.
At least the first syllable. Are you with me? Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Even if it's wrong, okay. But as
don't
long
worry. Don't worry. As long as the ND, you know your stuff. The second and the third syllable, don't worry about it because the Kikongo, it is hard. It's never been simplified. That's the issue we have. So to learn it's very hard. Okay, where were we? Okay, I've forgotten. Okay, you are coming from the market. I'm stopping English now. I'm going to speak Kikong. Yeah. Evoku visidiko mbote wa dia Kivu. Nengo tedo kemto sisi. Evoku visidiko ya dia Kivu.
Are you saying that he doesn't have? He has questions. No
Evoku
questions.
visidiko if
Oh, he doesn't understand the question.
if you don't understand, ask. Yes. Evoku visidiko.
Oh, if you do not understand,
Ask. That's a question.
ask.
Yes.
Oh, ask a question.
Yeah. Evoku visidiko dia Kivu. Dia is to eat, but this is Kikongo. Dia Kivu means literally means eat the question, dia Kivu.
It's a question.
Yeah, that's okay. These are language. Okay, fair enough. We are going. Yambo de tata. We talking tata. Yambo de tata.
Kiambo de Tata.
You are coming from market tata. Yambo de tata.
Kiambo de Tata.
Kwe utatuka.
Kuzandu.
Ntukidi.
Ntukidi. I can't even pronounce it. Ntukidi. Okay. Ntukidi.
Kumba kunani tata.
Kumbwame Alain. Yeah.
Yenge tata.
Yenge Tata.
Kumba kunani.
Kumbwa kunani. Okay. Yenge Tata. Kumbwa kunani.
Kumbwa me tata panzu. Kwe uzinganga. Location. Yes.
Ku Washington. Izinganga.
Diambote. Kimaja uzolanga dia.
What do I like? Yeah.
Kimaja.
Okay, what food do I like?
Kimaja uzolanga dia.
Uzolanga.
Remember object first?
Okay.
Now, okay, let me just help here. Now, remember, you're going to use your standard pronoun, yes, Tatal? The verb is zola. Ki uzolanga dia.
Okay, what do I wanna?
Zola means zola could be to want, to love,
To want, yeah.
like, yes. Ki uzolanga dia.
Okay.
Oh, kima dia uzolanga.
Madezu.
Yes. Izolanga dia.
Izolanga dia.
Yes. Diambote. Emono mbizi amaza izolanga dia. You know mbizi amaza?
Yeah, fish or
yes,
water.
Yeah. No, fish, yeah. Because mbizi. Generally, when we say mbizi, we mean bush meat, yeah, bush meat. Yeah.
Okay.
For fish, we mean just underline mbizi amaza, yes.
Mbizi amaza.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. Tutonde tatale. Wenda Kiambote.
Msala Kiambote.
Tutonde. Tatale. How was that?
That was great.
You are on the spotlight, yeah? People are watching. Then what tell you us? Tomokenawa. Wakuba mauna?
Hello. Is it mono nkubama?
Wakuba ngina. Jambo te kikili. Kiambote nengwa.
Kiambote tata.
Kwe utatuka. Hang on. Just pop in. I'm here to place, yeah. You've just finished eating. Yeah, you just finished eating. Tata, nengo tell you. Yeah, kididi. You have just eaten, yeah. Kididi, yeah.
I'll say mbala.
Ndidi.
Oh, Didi.
Ndidi. Go. It's correct. Go for object first, yeah.
Okay. Mbala Ndidi.
Yeah, it's correct saying the Dimbala. The reason I'm saying that because the Kikongo is the tonal language, a small change can mean, you understand, the nuance too, there's nuance everywhere. Totally, yes?
Mhm.
You wouldn't you wouldn't believe it. We're getting there. So stick with the object, then your verb, yeah. Okay. Mbala, yes. I would say mafuta, same thing. Mafuta uzolanga. Yeah, questions.
So,
Mbala is the same thing, potato.
Mbala.
Yeah? Mafuta, potato, yes. Mafuta uzolanga. Mafuta is potato as well, yeah?
Okay.
Mm.
Elo
Mm.
mavuta
Mm.
izolanga.
Jambo tekikilo. Ki
Kayenu.
emono mbizi izolanga. Mbizi you won't get it. Gipiti is a wild goat. Yes.
Oh, okay, wazi. Okay.
Gipiti. Nice meat. Yeah,
Kipiti
bush meat. Yeah.
uzolanga.
Gipiti
Sonde.
izola mbizi ya gipiti. Nsuni tata ni nsuni.
Is that meat?
Yeah, nsuni ya
This one is
gipiti izola.
meat. So what
Yeah.
about nyama? What about nyama?
This is Lingala.
Oh, nyama zingala.
Nsuni. Nsuni ya gipiti izola. Jambo te. Tutondele. Wow. Yena ole silwa mokena. Mukumvisa lune.
Elo kumvisa tuna.
Mukumvisa lune. I'm asking you many. You answer on behalf of the crowd then.
Okay,
Mukuvisa.
mukuvisa tuna.
Well done, yes.
Mukuvisa tuna.
That's the question to you. Mukumvisa bene, vem. Mukumvisa bene.
Mukumvisa.
You drop the nasal as long as nasal to me. Mukumvisa bene.
Oh, Muku.
Just drop the nasal. Mukuvisa
Visa.
bene, yes.
Bene.
Yes. Okay, that's all. You are talking to Nengwa Tediwa. Yes. Over to you. Thank you. Luwawa Nemunanzila, Kaluzaya Neko, yes. That number the Kaluzaya Neko translation.
That's to know, right? Oh yeah, yes. Ingeta.
Translation Kaluzaya Neko translation.
You don't know each other.
Well done, okay. Remember you say hello, you ask the name, where it's from, where it's going, where it's coming from. Number 30, please.
Okay, Kiambote tata.
Kiambote nengwa.
Tuna mavimpi.
Tuna mavimpi yeno,
Ingeta tuna mavimpi tutondele. Kumbwa kunani tata.
Kumbwame Alain inge
yenge nengwa.
Inge nengwa
kumbwa kunani. Remember kumbwa kunani. Bakongo people are very formal. Yes? Formal. When I say Bakongo people, I mean our fathers and great, yes? I'm not talking Bakongo urban Bakongo, yeah? Okay, carry on, please.
Yeah.
Nkumbwame nengo tadiwa. Nki uzinganga.
Be careful here. Nki.
Ki.
Kwe.
Oh, kwe.
Kwe, okay.
Kwe.
Kwezinganga. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Ku Washington Izinganga.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mono um ku Zimbabwe izinganga.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Nki uzolanga dia.
Yes, well done.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I just had one question. So okay, never mind. Okay.
Zola
Zola, yeah. No, I
want to
yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
to love, yes.
Okay. What do I want to eat, right?
No.
No, what
What
did
do
I
you
thought,
like to eat?
what would I like to eat? Okay.
No.
No?
Let me tell you.
Key.
Say it again. Let me tell you, please.
Tata ki
Key.
uzolanga dia.
Mm-hmm.
What do you like to eat?
Mm-hmm.
Ki uzolanga.
Not now. Your main food, yeah.
Like in general, what do you like?
Yeah.
Mbwenge.
Well
No.
done. Yeah,
Mbwenge.
yeah.
Izolanga dia.
Well done, because here you have to use your standard pronoun. Yes, personal pronoun. Yeah.
Mono
Mm-hmm.
izolanga.
No. Never tell you. Can you wait a bit?
Yeah, I know.
That was a question. Over to you, please.
Okay.
Ingenengwa.
Inengwa.
Engeyeki.
Okay. Engeki.
Second pronoun, yes. Second person pronoun.
Well
done. Yes. Uzolanga.
Uzolanga dia.
Yes.
Mono.
Let me tell you, is that? I will lose. Come back.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I don't understand that. Okay, I'm back. I think
Go ahead, yes, please.
Can you still see me? Okay.
Yeah, go ahead, yes.
Mono izola. Oh, sorry.
Object, yeah.
Nsaka izolanga dia.
Tsaki.
Nsaki izolanga dia.
Yes. Oh, well done. You done.
Nsaki, not Saka.
Tsaki. I wouldn't. Kikongo is Kikongo. Okay, keep it. Stick with Tsaki. Yeah.
Saki izolanga dia.
Yeah. Tutondele, tumanisi. Kiuvu, nengo tell
Ave.
Try to full sentence.
Nginaye kiuvuko.
Well done. Question.
No.
Kikongo. Kivu na kiotata.
Do I have any questions?
Monomu Kikongo ite vovi la tata. Kivu na kiao. Ka negative ka.
Okay. Can I just say katu? No. Oh.
You as a single ka ngina, yeah.
Okay, ka ngina.
Ye.
Ngina ye.
Kivuko, yeah.
Kivuko.
Kivuko, yes.
Kivuko.
Yes. Remember, quickly, 10 minutes. Remember verbs with L, yes? Leading L. We use ND. Remember this? Very important.
Yeah.
Okay, one verb. This is hard, but I just want to get the first and the second, if you can.
How do you spell Kivu? Is it
Kivu?
Q?
1 minute. Just
Q.
K. Kivu. Yeah.
Kiuvu. Okay.
Kivu. K-Y. You could write I, but according to linguists, we shouldn't write together two vowels. Totally.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kivu. Question. Because if you wrote K-I, Portuguese people, because they would said, they would read Kiivu. Yes, Kiivu. That's why, I mean, British people. So, I mean, non-Bantu people. That's how, Kiivu, are you with me? If you write K-I, some people may read it as a Kiivu. Like this is, according to linguists, yes, it's fine. Okay, tutondele Kivukato, yes. Kivukato ningotelwa. Okay, tutondele mutoma longo galuna lutambula lukofi. Be careful, I'm not talking Gala here. Lukofi. Lukofi.
I know. I'm confused now. If I
What's Lukufi? Even I don't.
Let me say, oh, tambula. When I say
Tambula
tambula,
to side, is it by side or walk?
so when I say tambula, what tambula means? Tambula
Is that to walk or to
receive, yeah. Tambula.
to receive? Tambula. Tambula.
Tambula could mean what is that? Right. Tambula to receive. When I say tambula, Lukofi, congratulations, yes.
Lukufi.
Receive. Okay.
Mm.
Wow, this is getting very hard.
No, you're doing well, Tatane.
Wow.
It is a process, Tatane. You are there. We have a saying in Gikongo. I think did I write last time? Mwanavo diete kalendi vutu kadiaga makomvunako. Makomvuna.
No, this is something. This is a new one.
Makomvuna, scroll, yeah, you know, a child. Makomvuna. Yes, Makomvuna. Let me read the full sentence. Mwana vo diete. Diete means diata to. Can you go to the diata?
Diata.
Mm.
Isn't diat to eat? I don't know what diata is.
Mm. I hope mwanavo diete. Kalendi vutu kadiaka makomvunako. Makomvuna to scroll, yeah? Yes. Toddler, they scroll, they don't.
I'm sorry.
I'm saying, there's a saying, before a child stand up and walk, yes?
Mm-hmm.
They have to crawl.
They have to
Yes, to crawl, yes?
Oh, so
Yeah.
diete is to crawl.
No, other way. Diata is the walk, yeah?
Okay, diata.
Scroll, crawl, yes.
Vutuka diaka mukuvina. Oh, mukomvina.
Makomvuna. Konvuna is the word. Konvuna is
To crawl.
yes, crawl, yes.
Makomvuna.
Mwanavo diete kalendi vutuka diaka makomvuna ko. Then what I do? I think you're able to translate the sentence there. Vo is your if, yeah?
If vo means if. Oh, if a child wants to walk.
No, if
a child
walks, yeah?
if a child walks, they need to crawl.
No, Kalendi negative. Kalendi is a negative. Don't forget
Oh,
Kalendi.
they should not crow.
Yeah, Vutuka. Vutuka means to go back.
Oh, they should not
They
go
can't.
back
They
to
can't.
crow.
Yeah, they can't go back and crow. That's what
Yeah.
Oh, that makes sense.
Mwana voice. Our ancestors, they were very smart, you know. So you can't go back 2 years ago, Tatana. You do something, Tatana. Are you with me, Tatana? Yes. 3 years ago, 2 years ago, you were not here. So you're not calling. You're up and try to, yes. Although you can't run yet, but yes, once step by step. So mwana vo dieti kalendi futuka dia kama komvu nako. Yes. Remember, when they start running, it's done. Yeah? They can't go back. Yeah? You need to run to catch them. Okay. Tondele, thank you very much for your time. If you're watching, we thank you. This is a mother tongue, Kikongo. Tutondele, Luenda Kambote.
Sala
Kiambote.
Yo.
Bimba, Kaimbe September, Ira, Papi Salomou, William Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Masuti, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Sorry, Nicolo. Mamalandu.